seems to be a bit of a thing for Memorial Day weekend, but we're unboxing a tank. Look at this. Welcome back to Tanks with Ian. I know it's been a little hot minute, but Tamiya only makes so many tanks, and we can only buy so many tanks. Oh, YouTube blooper reel right here. Hold on a second. Oh. There we are. Hey, look at that. Let's, it weighs, just, goodbye. That weighs a couple pounds. This is the newest release, 1/16 scale, full option Centurion Mark III. Oh my gosh. Okay, it is pretty heavy. From all reports, and from what I've seen, this is a lot of tank, actually. Let's see here. Oh. Okay. Whew. Okie dokie. Let's put that box up there. Let's just get out. Man, we got a lot of stuff. Okay. Got some plastic parts, some side skirts. Everybody loves those. This is not in, the fancy handle box with the flappy thing, obviously. They cheaped out on the box once again. Oh, it's heavy stuff. And they didn't give us... Everything in this box is kind of heavy. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, we got this cardboard. We've got our beautiful resin or plastic, whatever, tracks. There have been some reports of battle damage, of breakage on these. Not like the Sheridan, where you look at them and they snap tracks, but not perfect. Lot of green plastic. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. Lots of wheels. Okay. Some turret bits and some stowage bits. Quite nice, quite nice. I like. This reminds me of the Sheridan, part of the recoil servo holding assembly. Some engine deck parts and some other cargo box tops. More parts of the turret. Beautiful casting finish in that plastic. Let's just show that off a bit. Look at that. It's very nice. Nice. Reminds me of the casting finish on the Russian JS2 a little bit. Some more turret parts. Well, this is really origamied into this box, I gotta say. Here we go. Here's some more. This is part of that Hortzman suspension. Yep, that looks like it's going to be fun to build. That looks like it's going to be really cool suspension. Got some more larger bits here for the upper hull. And we've got our... Oh, they've already made a correction. Pay attention to the correction sheet. It's usually nothing major, but you're like one of those little slipper clutch gears. Guess what? Chucking it, throwing the solid gear from one of those 6-speed transmissions in. Decals. Not very many. I mean, enough. More than a few, less than a lot. That's how we say it. There we go. Operation manual. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what's in this box with the barrel. So, the Centurion Mark III has the 20-pounder. Okay. Which is, come on. 20-pounder's a nice gun. A little, yeah, look at that. Quite nice. A little skinny, a little thin. This is a svelte barrel. As far as the tanks I've built, this is probably the skinniest barrel of any Tamiya tank I think I've built. Maybe even skinnier than the M51 Super Sherman. I think it is skinnier. This is pretty skinny. So there's a couple guys on the forums, well, a guy on the forum, who, he's getting the L7 105mm made with the gas extractor and everything in the middle. It's going to be lovely. I'm going to throw that on. This is a placeholder for now. Oh my god, you had me at rubber tires, Tamiya. Oh, after the debacle with the Sheridan painting tires on? Yes. Someone heard rubber tires. A couple of the front mantlet covers. Likely speaker box. It's probably gotta be the speaker box. And then this is a big chassis. I mean, it's got very tall sides to begin with. Extremely tall sides. Not the widest thing in the world. Good thickness. A couple of side plates for the chassis. Very nice. Come on. Get in there. Everyone's gonna stop throwing the parts around. You're gonna break something. No, it's a tank. It's meant to be beaten on a little bit. What do we got here? Okay. Let's see what's in this box. There we go. Oh, the same rotation unit as every other damn tank in the universe. Okay, fair enough. Electronicals. You got not one, but 2 servos. I got some clear parts in here. Just a couple. Looks like maybe periscopes or something. I don't know. I have to figure that out. Of course, this has the same new-fangled Tamiya DMD, MFU, what have you. DMD T11. It's really slick. This is what the Sheridan has. This is probably for the turret. But this is a slick little system. Very, very cool. Got some gears there for, yeah, recoil probably. For the turret rings. Smushy the balls. We're gonna have to grease our balls. Make sure to grease our sack of balls. That's for sure. Our favorite thing to do during a build. And then this box. Oh my God, this thing is heavy. Wow. What the hell is in here? Oh my God. That is very, very heavy. Lots of metal. Lots of springs. Lots of other stuff. You know, I'm just glad it's not torsion beam suspension for once. Thank God. Got our little motors. This is our new thing nowadays with, same with the Sheridan. Oh, they have a red sticker on them. That's interesting. The Sheridan has these, there's parts of the speaker. There's some other schmoo. Here's the actual speaker. Sheridan has the new transmissions, and so does this. Same transmissions as the Sheridan, from what I can tell. So it's Tamiya's most modern transmission design. Very compact. That's the nice thing. Oh my God, more metal. Here's like reduction gearboxes and the sprockets and yeah, some spare track links. Apparently we're gonna need those. And yeah, that's here we go. That's it. I think yeah, it's unboxed. We're just gonna build it. Not in this video, obviously. But yeah. Exciting. This looks fun. Oh, haven't built a tank in like months. Or not even. Yeah, maybe. I guess. Last thing we built was the King Tiger with the controversially named Porsche turret, which it's not. It's a pre-production turret. Everyone knows that, but it said it on the box, and I just kept saying Porsche turret. At one point, just to annoy some rivet counters. But that's just me. I'm a weirdo. So there we go. We got our come on. Focus. Yeah, framing. There we go. Okay, so I was actually at Andy's Hobby headquarters on Monday this week. This Monday. I got to meet the guy in person. Awesome dude. Super friendly. Super, like, humble, outgoing, happy, helpful. Just genuine, not a jackass. Like, super nice dude. And I said, hey, Andy, when are you building your Centurion? He's like, oh, you know, waiting for Tamiya to send me the radio. And he's waiting for them to send him like a 4YWD, 2.4 gigahertz, and I started talking to him about this, and I said the fine spec 2.4, and I'm like, you should just get one from Japan. Tamiya doesn't import them. And I told him it had all of the features built right into the radio, all the little gun firing and machine gun and main gun and lights on, lights off, engine startup, barrel, all the stuff, all the Hodoukens and the Shoryukens built into the buttons. And it'll even work with trucks and 4x4s with the MFCs and the MFUs. And he seemed intrigued by it, and I told him to get one on, just go on eBay. Obviously, you know, Tamiya sends him stuff like frequently, and if he put this thing on his channel out in the open, yeah, he might get in a little trouble with Tamiya. But I told him to get this radio. It's almost a waste on this tank, but it's perfect for things like the Abrams and the Leopard and the Sheridan. Almost any more modern tank it's perfect for, or any other tank with more feature sets like headlights and taillights, and so like the Pershing, the Super Sherman, you know, those would all be good and fun. Like things that don't even have headlights normally, kind of a waste. But yeah, there we go. We're gonna do that, and I think that's about it. So there's the unboxing. The new Centurion Mark III from Tamiya. Lovely looking tank, and it's gonna be huge when we're done building it. This thing's big. Like, I'm gonna put it next to the King Tiger. I'm gonna put it next to the Abrams. I'm gonna put it next to the Sheridan or the Super Sherman, and you're just gonna see it just be big. That's what it does. It's very big, and we're gonna of course do some Ian things. We're gonna add some headlight bulbs and these black lights. We're gonna add some bulbs in there. If there's any taillight accoutrement on the back where we could stuff some little SMD LEDs, we'll do that as well. And yeah, looks badass. I'm gonna have fun with this. Adios, everybody.